स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. This place is brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. This place, you feel there's no good or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for living. Make a little space, make a little place in the world. Make it a better place for you and for me.
लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। जननी तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जाने जाने होठों से ना है और जाने जाने हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और जाने है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जागा जागा हिंदुस्ता है और जागी जागी हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है। जागा हिंदुस्ता, जागा हिंदुस्ता। नहीं एक जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर रहेंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, आबादी फिर बस में है। दिल जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले।
That was absolutely a rousing performance.
On this auspicious day, delighted by the presence of our chief guest, guest of honor, esteemed judges, beloved teachers, and of course, our wonderful students.
Misbah, have you heard the phrase, to watch us dance is to hear our hearts speak?
Well, this phrase sounds familiar with the atmosphere, as the occasion itself echoes love, peace, harmony, and unity.
Therefore, we too, on behalf of the whole Einstein House, welcomes you to a world of rhythm, melody, and expression. A world where every twirl paints a canvas of emotion.
The stage becomes the canvas, and their movement the paint that colors it through vivacity and vigor.
Hold your breath as we are going to experience the tale depicting the triumph of unity and hope over injustice and inequality. A powerful dance performance that shines some light on human's spirit of resilience and collective strength.
So please, with a huge round of applause, please welcome the talented dancers of Einstein House to spread their charm on the stage.
Harmony. People fight over borders, beliefs, and power. Walls rise between hearts, and the strong trample the weak. Injustice grows where unity falls apart.
सर जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे जीतेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा। तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा, छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मारेगा। सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित्र।
उठो, जागो और अन्याय के विरुद्ध अपनी आवाज बुलंद करो। जब हम सब मिलकर खड़े होंगे तो कोई भी ताकत सच और इंसानियत को हरा नहीं सकती। बदलाव की शुरुआत तुमसे ही होगी।
है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक रह जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा बोल रहा अल्लाह दिल ते बन के कमल जब तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे बथर थर कपदे सारे
Her dreams are questioned, her voice is doubted, her freedom is feared.
बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, देखना।
जो कल बेड़ियों में थी, आज वे न्याय की ज्योति बनकर खड़ी हैं और संसार को शांति का मार्ग दिखा रही हैं।
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते देवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
The world now breathes in peace and harmony. Boundaries have faded, hearts are united, and every soul lives free from hatred, embracing a life of love and understanding.
ये पत्तों का ससराना, ये चिड़ियों की चहचहाट, कभी पेड़ों का नदी से अटखेलियां करना और कहीं दूर से आती हुई कोई आवाज। हर तरफ शांति है, हर तरफ खामोशी है।
I can't wait to fly. Oh, I'm alive. Yeah. When you call on me, when I hear you breathe, I can't wait to fly. I feel that I'm alive.
Today we celebrate the victory of peace, the triumph of justice, and the beauty of harmony that unites us all. With hearts full of joy, we rejoice in a world where justice prevails, peace blossoms, and harmony guides our
जश्न है भारत रग रग में है जीत की आदत ऐसा हो हर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर रहेंगे चैत जो नस नस में है, अनबाजी फिर बस में है, दिल जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शक्ति श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शक्ति श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
Such a rocking
आज हम आपके सामने एक ऐसी कहानी प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं जो मानवता की यात्रा को दर्शाती है। शांति से संघर्ष, फिर आशा और अंत में न्याय और शांति की पुनः स्थापना। जब जीवन में सब कुछ संतुलित होता है, मनुष्य प्रकृति के साथ एक सुर में चलता है, तभी धरती पर शांति का वास होता है। लेकिन जब लाभ, घृणा और क्रोध हावी हो जाती हैं, तब शांति छिन जाती है, मानवता रक्त रंजित हो जाती है। We fell, we broke, but we are not finished. From this silence, we rise again with hope in our hearts. अंधेरा जितना भी गहरा हो, एक किरण उसे चीर सकती है। यही है वो किरण, आशा की।
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, उम्मीदें हंसे टूटी
जब सत्य और न्याय की विजय होती है तभी फिर से शांति स्थापित होती है। हम सभी एक साथ मिलकर विश्व में प्रेम, सद्भाव और भाईचारे का संदेश फैलाएं।
मैंने मांगी भी नहीं कोई खुशी तेरे सिवा, मैंने देखा ही नहीं ख्वाब कोई तेरे सिवा, यूं तो कितने ही उजालों ने पुकारा मुझको, मेरे दिल में कोई शम्मा न जली तेरे सिवा, तू ही धारा है मेरी, मेरा किनारा है तू, है मेरी जान, मुझे जान से प्यारा है तू, है मेरे देश, मेरी आँख का तारा है तू। जय हिंद, जय भारत। I now hand over the proceedings to our confident young comparers.
That a way to express that love for our nation than through music, through a melody that arrests the soul, awakens the heart and salutes the spirit of India. Up next is a performance that celebrates the emotion, a patriotic group sung by our school choir. Their voice will carry our stories of sacrifice, unity and a dream of a shining India. This is not just a song. It is a musical salute to the brave, a tribute to the free, and a promise from a young heart of the school to always stand by our motherland. So we cordially welcome the school choir for their patriotic song performance. Please give them a huge round of applause.
late because of his busy schedule. Give them a huge, huge round of applause, everybody. And now I would request Father to please felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Vishnu Kumar Sharma. Now we come to the most anticipated event of the day, Pauline, the prize distribution ceremony. In this, we'll felicitate the winners of inter-house volleyball competition, which concluded a few days back, the just concluded inter-house dance competition, march past and display board competition. We'll start with the volleyball competition. I request the captains and vice captains of the house to please come up on the stage to receive their award. The winner of inter-house volleyball competition is the Blue House, the Einstein House. Come on, everybody, give them a huge, huge round of applause. Come on, everybody, give them a huge round of applause. Now, the first runner-up of volleyball inter-house competition is the Green House or Newton's House. Everybody, clapping. Okay, now the second runner-up of volleyball inter-house competition is Red House or the Kalam House. Give them a huge round of applause, everybody. Now we have one more award for Best Player Award. And Best Player Award goes to Master Mohammad Rehan. Master Mohammad Rehan from class 11C and he is from Einstein House. Give them a huge round of applause. Everybody clap continuously. Now, we'll announce the winners of display board competition. The theme is Incredible India for display board. I'll call out the winners from first and second. The winner of first and second class is class first C. Give them a huge round of applause. Class first C is the winner of display board competition. Everybody. Come on, everybody. Give them a huge round of applause. Please clap continuously. Motivate them. Wonderful. What an ecstatic moment. The second prize goes to class first A. Class first A. Clap, everybody. The third prize goes to class second C. Class second C, give them a huge round of applause. And now, we'll announce the prizes for class 3rd and 4th. The first prize goes to class 3rd B. Class 3rd B for display board competition. Clapping everybody. Second prize goes to class 4th A. A huge round of applause for our future leaders. And the second runner-up, the third prize of the same category goes to class 4th B. Class 4th B, give them a huge round of applause, everybody. Please clap continuously.
Everyone, clap. Hey, outside, clap.
Now we'll announce the winners of class 5th and 6th. The first prize goes to class 5th A. Class 5th A. First runner-up of the same category is class 6th C. Class 6th C. Now, the second runner-up of the same category is class 5th C. Class 5th C. Wonderful. What a lovely and ecstatic moment. Well deserved. Now, class 7th and 8th. The first prize goes to 8C. Class 8C. Class 8C. For second prize, I will call class 8B. Class 8B. Okay, and now the second runner-up of the same category are class 8A students. Come on everybody, give them a huge round of applause. Okay, now for senior classes, for class 9th and 10th. First prize goes to class 9th B. Class 9th B. Please join us here. Come on everybody. Second prize.
Sit down, everyone. Sit down.
Second prize for the same category goes to class 10th A. Class 10th A.
Hey, go.
Please be ready, class 10th A. The third prize for the same category goes to class 10th C. Class 10th C. Now the second runner-ups. Come on everybody. It takes so much of courage and effort. Clap. Now, the last category of 11th and 12th. The first prize goes to 12A. The first prize goes to class 12A. Give them a huge round of applause. Congratulations, class. Well deserved. Now, the second prize goes to the same category goes to class 12C. Class 12C. Wonderful. Well deserved. And the last prize, which is the third prize of the same category, goes to 11C. 11C. Beautiful effort and wonderful achievements. Wonderful, very nice. The yellow house. Clapping everybody. Second prize for March Pass. Second prize for March Pass goes to the greenhouse and the wooden house. And now, the most awaited outcomes. Results for inter-house dance competition. The first prize goes to the Kalam House or the Red House. Give them a huge round of applause, everybody. They secured first position in the inter-house dance competition. For junior. For junior category, first prize goes to the Kalam House, which is the red house. Second prize for the junior category goes to the blue house or the Einstein house. Come on, everybody, give them a huge round of applause. They made so much of effort. It's been a month.
Hey, sit down.
The third prize of the same category goes to
Sit down.
the Newton house or the green house. Green house secured third position in inter-house dance competition. Now, I'll call the winners of senior category. The winner of senior category is, again the same, the Red House or the Kalam House. They secured first position in inter-house dance competition. Kalam House. The second prize goes to the Willow House or the Edison House. Wonderful. They secured second position. I request Red House or the Kalam House to please come upon the stage. They secured first position. They are the winners in senior category.
Right, Jamila. Sit down, sit down. Sit.
The second prize for senior category goes to the Edison House. Edison House, they secured second position in inter-house dance competition. Edison House, please come upon the stage. Edison House secured second position. The third prize for the same category goes to Einstein House, the Blue House. They secured third position. They secured third position in inter-house dance competition, everybody. Now, I'll call the band leader. I wish to call band leader. Please come upon the stage. Band leader, please come upon the stage and receive the appreciation. Wonderful it is. Wonderful.
Hey, sit. Sit down.
Now I wish to call the both dignified judges. Please come upon the stage. Brother John Peter and Master Shobit Nigam. Please come upon the stage. And I request Father to please felicitate our dignified judges. Give them a huge round of applause, everybody. And now I would request fathers to please give our appreciation to our chief guest, Colonel Anand. And Mr. Vishnu Kumar Sharma. And now, I request the chief guest. And now, I request our honorable chief guest, Colonel Anand Sharma, to share some pearls of wisdom with the August graduates. Come on, everybody, give them a huge round of applause.
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible at the back? मेरी आवाज आ रही है पीछे? Thank you. First of all, I just want to thank everybody, the school management, the father, the principal sir, all the staff for inviting me on this 79th Independence Day, and I wish everybody happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. I just want to compliment each and every student who came on the stage. The program was so beautifully choreographed and organized. And I must compliment the staff behind the scenes, the teachers, the non-teaching staff, everybody who has contributed. I noticed each and every small thing, like all the props that were used, all the costumes that were designed. They were impeccable. All lot of foresight, lot of thought has gone behind those efforts which were visible on the stage. My compliments to everybody for that, please. I want to compliment a couple of students who stood out in my eyes. Everybody did well, but I just want to compliment the boy in the greenhouse who was marching behind the flag. Divyansh or whatever his name is, I'm not sure, but his march past was the best individually. Okay, I want to compliment the boy who came in that green kurta on the stage. I am forgetting his name. Kartavya Vajpayee. And I got to know that his father is also teaching in the school. My compliments to Kartavya and to his parents. Amazing confidence the boy showed. I'm sure he's going places with that confidence. Very well done. Okay, just a small information. I know the program was long. I don't want to prolong it. A small information. Do you know the difference between 15th August ceremony and the 26th January ceremony of the flag, Indian flag? The difference of flag hoisting or unfolding of the flag on 15th of August and 26th of January. You understand? Okay, just to give you that information, on 15th of August, that is today, we hoist the flag. The flag goes from down to up, because on 15th of August 1947, the Union Jack flag was brought down, the British flag was brought down, and Indian flag was bent up, okay? So it is hoisted today on 15th of August, and on 26th of January it is unfurled. It is already up because our constitution was on 26th of January 1950, 3 years after independence. So the flag was already up. It is unfurled on 26th January. Okay, just a small piece of information. I don't want to prolong the agony. Again, thank you everybody for inviting me. It was actually an honor to be here, and compliments to each and every staff who has worked very, very hard for the performance that we saw in front. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now I will invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Vishnu Kumar Sharma, for words of wisdom.
Thank you very much. First and foremost, I give you the congratulations on this 15th of August, the Independence Day. I really appreciating all my dear children who are beating this is scorching heat. So all are the winners today. Although there is a possible that somebody got the medal, somebody got the trophies, but each and every children who is attending here are the winners. So big round of applause for everybody. I'm honored today, although I was having no time at all, but seeing the importance of this function and the request made to me earlier, I'm attending this function today. So I'm very much thankful to the principal, the father, and all of you also, because I'm in a position today to see all of you on this particular occasion. Once again, without taking more time, I'm giving you the congratulations to each and every person who directly or indirectly participated and giving the contribution to celebrate this function. And with me, Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now,
Kumar Sharma, Chief Justice of Shahjahanpur, Reverend Father Vijay Tellis, our esteemed manager, respected principal sir, Reverend sisters, esteemed teachers, beloved students, dear participants, and our grateful anchor Kajal ma'am. Today, beneath the sacred shade of our fluttering tricolor, we gather to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation and 50th Golden Jubilee of our Catholic Diocese of Bareilly, with the theme World Peace, Love and Justice. Colonel Anand Sharma sir, you embody discipline, courage and patriotism. Your uniform stands as a shield of our liberty and a reminder that every dawn of freedom secured by the sacrifice of our soldiers. Your presence inspires us and we bow in gratitude. Honorable Justice Mr. Vishnu Kumar Sharma, your commitment to justice, fairness and truth reflects the heartbeat of a free nation. Your gracious presence adds dignity to our celebration. Reverend Father Vijay Tellis, we thank you for your spiritual guidance. Principal Sabu Atikul, for your dedication in making today's program a true celebration of patriotism and faith. To our Reverend sisters and teachers, thank you for molding India's future torchbearers. To our students and participants, your performance filled with love for our motherland. Thank you everyone. And most important of them all, thank you Kajal ma'am for hosting such a wonderful event. As we conclude, let us pledge that the love we hold for India will waver and the hope we have for its future will never dim. May the next 50 years of our great nation and the Catholic Diocese be blessed with peace, unity and prosperity. Jai Hind. Thank you everyone.
wonderful, well spoken, Shri. And now, all are requested to stand for the national song.
Everyone stand up.